In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Ads to a Wix website. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your website, including marketing tools, site settings, and advertising options. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing. From there, select Google Ads. This will take you to the area where Wix helps you begin the advertising setup process. Next, click Start Advertising. After that, you'll see a list of tasks that need to be completed before you can move forward. Wix uses these requirements to make sure your site is ready to run ads properly, so it's important to finish each one in order. The first thing you need to do is publish your site. To do that, go into the Wix editor and then click Publish. Publishing makes your website live, which is necessary before you can advertise it through Google Ads. If your site isn't published, your ads won't have a destination that visitors can actually access. Once your site is published, return to the Google Ads setup page. The next task is to upgrade your site. Click Upgrade Now, then choose the plan you want in order to continue. This step is important because some advertising features and domain connection options require an upgraded Wix plan. After that, go back to the same page again and complete the final required task, which is connecting a custom domain. A custom domain gives your website a more professional appearance and is often recommended when running ads, since it helps build trust with visitors who click on them. When all of the required tasks are completed, follow the on-screen setup wizard to connect your Google account. Wix will guide you through the process, and this part links your website with Google Ads so you can create and manage campaigns more easily from inside Wix. Once your account is connected, you can set up your campaigns. Choose your daily budget and define your audience details directly within Wix. Take your time here and review each setting carefully so your ads are aimed at the right people and aligned with your goals. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.